today I'm going to show you how to hang a hem on a circular knitting machine. I'm on my Addi Express, so it's a 22 pin. So I've done 20 rounds and I want to hang a hem, so it'll be 10 and 10. This is going to be for a sock that I'm doing. So I started with waste yarn. So you cast on your waste yarn and then you do your 20 stitches or however many stitches you need for your hem. You want to find your tails. So this is your last stitch. So this is your first stitch. So we're gonna hang that first stitch on your first black peg. And when you hang it, you want to make sure it goes over right down to the bottom in front of those red teeth. You want to make sure it stays in front of those red teeth so then it knits. Okay, so as you turn, it may want to ride up. You just want to keep it down. I use a Loom pick and it's super, super, super handy for this. Then this is your next stitch and you just want it to come up a little bit. So you want to find your next stitch. So you want to follow your waste yarn. Your waste yarn is going to go into the next stitch. So here, this is your next stitch right here. And just push that down because you want both of those loops. You're going to have 2 loops around the red teeth. Okay, and you just want to make sure they stay down so that you can knit those. Okay, so this is your next one. So again, follow your waste yarn. Follow your waste yarn into the next stitch. This is your next stitch right here. Okay, and then push that down so it stays down in front of your the red teeth. Okay, so this is your next one. So you just follow the waste yarn into the next stitch. And as you go along, it's going to get tighter and tighter. So that is why you want to follow your waste yarn so it'll lead you to your next stitch. Okay, so here it's getting very tight. So that is actually our next stitch right there because our waste yarn is going right into there. But it was very hard to see. You would have grabbed this one. You may want to grab that one, but this is it. You want to follow, I don't know if you can see that, follow the waste yarn. It's going to go in right into your next stitch. Because as you pull the stitches, the next stitch is going to get very tight. So you just want to be careful because you want to make sure that you put every single stitch on, otherwise you're going to have to run. Okay. And make sure you push it down as you turn. Okay, so find your next one. So your waste yarn is going into here. This is it. Right there. See how tight that is? This is your next stitch right here. Make sure you don't grab the next one. You want to get this one. So on here I have 22 pins. I want to make sure that every 22, all 22 stitches are on a needle. So you want to make sure that these loops stay over top of the red. Mine almost slid right in behind. You just got to make sure that it stays on top. Oops, I went too far. Okay. So you just want to do that all the way around, and that's how you hang a hem. So I'll do a couple more. See, it's a little tight, so this is where the waste yarn is. Right there is our stitch. It is easier if you put your stitch over when it's a little lower. This is our next one. There we go. And if you ever get lost, just like right here, I can't see my stitch, but I can tell that this is my stitch right here, because my waste yarn is going into it. So if you ever get lost, just follow your waste yarn. So that's it right there. See, the waste yarn is going right into that stitch. Okay, so that's how you hang a hem on your circular knitting machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.